Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. In this video, we will talk about the next option or the next feature, which is schedule comparison. The purpose of schedule comparison is that, for example, you have a baseline file and an update file, or the update file from, for example, last month and the update file for the current month, and you want to see the variance or the comparison or the changes that have occurred between these two files. So the first thing you do is select the XCR file. All right, and then you select the update. Of course, this is just dummy data. There's no problem at all. Then here it asks you if you want your result to appear in the form of a WPS or as a simple table. Of course, I recommend doing it in the WPS format. It's much better. After that, you click Run Comparison. It will start comparing between the baseline or the two updates. This will vary significantly based on the specific data points that you have selected in this section. And now the entire process is finally complete. So what did it show you? The things that some activities were added. Of course, if you remember, this is the revised version. So there are already activities that have been added, and there are activities whose status has changed. All of this appears here for you, and you can click on it, and it will show you the activities. Of course, you can group by WPS like this to group these items together. All right. Now it tells you that these activities were in the baseline, but in the update, these activities were added. You'll notice that if you remember, we had labeled them as remaining, and for the activity ID, we added an _R. And these other activities are the deleted ones or the activities that were removed. You can go back to the dashboard again, click on anything, and start to take a look at it. This is simply the schedule comparison, which is useful if you have two updates you want to compare between a baseline and an update.